Hello everyone. That was my son trying to open the door installed with the safety first parent grip doorknob covers. I want to show you how to install it and more importantly how to remove it. First, let me show you the instructions. You can pause and read it. The instruction was not useful for many. If you read the Amazon reviews, many adults find it difficult to remove. And today I want to show you how to install and remove it. First, I will show you how to put them together and separate them outside the doorknob. Then I will show you how to install and remove it from the doorknob. Let's begin. To install without the doorknob, the first step is to align the two front-facing tabs together. And then close the back tabs together in one motion. And to remove it by itself, you first press on both sides of the back tabs. Make sure you only press the left hand side of the tab and not the part with the holes. Then try to pull the pieces away from the back. I will show it to you one more time. Installing is the same on the doorknob. First align the front-facing tabs, then close the back tabs together. To remove, press the same positions for the back tabs. Then use your thumb to push the cover against the doorknob, and use your index fingers to pull the pieces away from each other. I find it useful to separate one of the back tabs first, then rotate and do the other. Let me show you one more time. The reason why I want to use my thumb to push the cover against the doorknob is to make space for the back tabs to be separated. One of the tabs is more challenging to open than the other, so I rotate and make sure I open one first, then come back and do the other. I do recommend this product. As you can see, my son is not able to open the doorknob. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below to share your experience or what you would like me to show you next. Thank you.